That's one of them fun fish.
I was wanting to get video of one jumping. I ain't got it yet.
Let him jump a little bit. Hey, Jonathan. Right in the net. You see how good he's getting with that net? That boy is on to it now. That's a nice black one there, bro. What's that? What are you talking, Larry? Same type? Termagoons? Termagoons? Yeah, like you.
These guys don't wait here. Trouble seems like.
You see that trouble up, Doug?
Yeah, he showed me. He turned around and showed me.
He's gonna get a friend here.
A little video of their fish.
Little bitty fish.
Little video, I said.
Hey, Terry.
Make him feel bad about putting that on the stringer.
Hold up your little bitty fish for him.
He wants to see that on the stringer, Terry.
There's a bunch of them there.
Hey, that's mine. No, never mind. One down there. That one is mine.
I'll just pick up somebody else's stringer and have to take my picture.
Them guys at that bait thing said the smaller ones taste better.
Yeah, oh yeah. There, you want a picture of that one?
That's killer there. Hold him out far.
Just put small over here.
Yeah, maybe we can hold it out right up to the camera. Yeah.
That's on video. I got all that.